Hello Sagittarius, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. So Sagittarius, this is your reading for the month of June, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. In this reading, Sagittarius will see what is your energy, what do you need to know, what are the general messages, and what are the love messages you need to know. There is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in description box and comment section. I am shuffling the cards, I'll lay them down and then we'll see what you need to know. Let's see, Sagittarius, what do you need to know? Sagittarius, let's see what you need to know. What do you need to know, Sagittarius? What do you need to know? What are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know, Sagittarius? General messages and love messages you need to know, Sagittarius. We have Nine of Cups. We have the Nine of Pentacles, a lot of nines, Two of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, the Five of Cups, the High Priestess, the Knight of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, we have the Temperance. You might be dealing with another Sagittarius, Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You might be dealing with yeah, that's all I guess. You will see a lot of 999, a lot of 333, a lot of 222, 2222, a lot of 555 as well. If the sign or the number pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the same. So, Sagittarius, what do you need to know for the month of June? First of all, I do see that this is a month for wish fulfillment. Okay. This is also a month of a lot of good news coming towards you. I definitely see more than one good thing happening to you in the month of June. Um, for many of you, this is a time where it's a time period of payback. Okay, uh, some good karma has been accumulated, and it's time for you to receive the rewards related to the good karma that you have accumulated. Now, these rewards will come towards you in different forms. So, we'll discuss that. We'll take a deep dive. But the bottom line over here is it's a month of wish fulfillment. It's a month to receive a lot of good news. Okay. So, we'll discuss in detail about your love life, about your career, finances, and any other general messages. So, let's start with your love life first. If you have anyone on your mind, Sagittarius, uh, if you have met someone pretty recently and if you feel like you want to get into a relationship with that person and the abundance this person has or there is something about this person, especially I do feel like this person has a lot of positive aura, positive energy, very strong glow up, and you probably will feel very strong attraction, energetic connection with this person, and you will be like, I want to get into a relationship with this person. And if you send out this wish to the universe, for many of you, I do feel like without even chasing this person, a connection will happen with this person, a relationship will happen with this person. Okay, without even you putting in much efforts or without even that person putting in much efforts, this connection, it will feel like automatically things are falling into place. and automatically you're being guided towards one another. It is all about you sending your manifestations to the universe, you letting the universe know, like, I want this person. Okay. And that's what I see happening now. Again, I also see, for some of you, for sure, I see that you want to reconcile. Again, this is not applicable for all of you. For some of you, you want to reconcile with your past person. Your past person will come towards you with an apology. If that is something that you want. In the month of June, you will see that the past person is coming towards you with an apology. You probably thought that this connection is over and the past person has uh, forgotten you, and the past person has no willingness to come towards you, and the past person has moved on. The past person is with someone else. No, the past person is missing you a lot. Whether you have walked away or whether the past person has walked away from you, whatever the case may be, the past person is missing you a lot. And this person has a very, very, very strong desire to reconcile with you. I think so, especially if they are the one who have walked away, they are regretting their decision big time. Okay, this person is like, Sagittarius, you were my happiness. I was so happy when we were together, and I destroyed my own happiness. I did not value you, I did not value your presence in my life. I want another chance to rectify the situation. I think so. For some of you, you are already having, or you have already established a very strong connection with this past person. Okay. Or you are dealing with someone who has very good intuition. Okay. Their intuitive abilities are very good. You probably might be dealing with someone who has some strong moon placements. Okay. Their intuition is on point. And I think so. They are also trying to, this past person of yours, this past person is also trying to send you some telepathic messages. Okay. Like, let's reunite. Let's be together all over again. I want you. I love you. I cannot be without, I cannot live without you. I think so. It's also quite possible that in the month of June, you will see a lot of dreams related to your past person. This is applicable especially for people who are trying to manifest the past person back in your life. Okay. So past person is coming towards you. Let's talk more about the new person. Like I said, yes, you will also have a very strong connection with a new person. You're attracting someone who is doing very well financially. Okay. Doesn't matter whether it's a man or a woman. I do see that this person is doing very well for himself or herself. They're in a place where they are happy wherever they are. They are happy, they're satisfied, and they're content wherever they are. And this person is absolutely ready to take their life to the next level. uh, Maybe so far this person was not ready for love and relationships, but I do feel like whoever is getting attracted towards you, okay, this person is now mentally ready, prepared, and geared up to get into long term relationships. And this is someone who probably loves working a lot. Probably you are also attracting someone who is a workaholic, or probably this is someone who has multiple sources of income, and that is why they are required to dedicate and devote a lot of time towards that. This person is someone who is fond of animals. For some of you, I'm hearing that this person might be a vegan. uh, they do have very good sense of money. Like, they do have very good business acumen. They know how to make money, they know how to attract money. And yeah, like I said, this person might be fond of animals. Or you will see that when the time is getting closer to meet this person, you might start attracting a lot of animals towards you. Like, you might attract a lot of strays, you might attract uh, dogs and cats, and you might even see birds flocking around you or around your residence wherever you're staying. Okay, you'll also feel like I want to go on a vacation somewhere in the vicinity of the nature. Nature will be calling you a lot when the time is getting closer to meet this person. You will feel like nature is calling you. Okay, you will also start nurturing certain hobbies like gardening and etc. Okay, I also feel like if at all you have any kind of fear of being yourself, those fears will start to fade away. Okay, if you are someone who is like, say for example, if you want to be on social media, but if you don't want to show your face, and if you are like, you know what, I am going to post videos related to gardening, okay, but I'm going to post them without showing my face and etc. So probably over a period of time you will feel like, I, just fuck off, whatever it is, I'm going to show my face, I don't care how people perceive me and etc etc. So something of that sort might happen. uh you'll become more and more confident about yourself. That is another sign that you're getting closer to this person. Okay, another important sign that you're getting closer to your new person is that lot of unwanted people and unwanted situation will get removed from your life, and you will find yourself getting at a you will see that peace is coming back in your life. Okay, balance is getting restored in your life. That's what I see. All right, so let's see now what you need to know regarding your career and your finances, Sagittarius. What do you need to know regarding career and finances for the month of June? Too many cards. Six of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, and the King of Cups. Your efforts will be directed towards doing something or pursuing something that make you really happy. Okay. Uh, you probably might start a side hustle, uh, or you might start something new that you're passionate about. Okay, you'll combine work and passion together. That's what I'm getting. For some of you, maybe your traveling is your hobby and you might become a travel vlogger or blogger, because I do see a momentum, or probably you might have to travel for work a lot. I also see that if at all you were not sure what you want to do in your life, that uncertainty is going away. You're moving towards more calmer waters. You're moving towards more certain situations, like, yes, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to pursue in my life. Okay, you're becoming more and more surer about it. I also feel like probably you will receive a lot of guidance uh, from your loved ones or your romantic partner regarding your career. Okay, you might even get some money making opportunities. Yeah, we do have Nine of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles, so money making opportunities are definitely coming towards you. In fact, I do see that you will try and establish multiple sources of income, and that's why you probably might be pretty busy. One thing is for sure, that you will find yourself doing things that you really really love. So with Six of Swords, for some of you, switch in the career, or probably you implementing some important changes in your career, in your business, is quite possible. Okay, I also feel for some of you, you're going to feel extremely proud about yourself because you're going to make a big purchase. Like, you're going to buy a home, buy a car of your dreams, home of your dreams, and you're going to feel very proud about yourself. Justice. Yeah, I think so. You're also going to spend money on yourself. uh you will do end up doing things that make you really happy and make you feel nice, like doing a lot of self pampering and all that stuff. Okay, Hanged Man. You'll try to be different, to I think so you'll try and employ ideas through which you will make sure that you're different, you're unique, you're standing out in the crowd. Okay, that's what I'm getting with the hanged man. Yeah, there is a certain level of risk that you are taking. You're moving in a new direction. And somehow I'm getting this message again and again that it's very likely, Sagittarius, that someone is going to help you out in your career and your business. Okay, especially if you are if you feel that you need some sort of a support, divine is going to send you that support through your loved ones, either your family member or your friends, or very likely a romantic partner will support you in your journey, and you will feel extremely encouraged because of that support. You will feel like, now I can, now sky is the limit for me, something of that sort. Do not share your confidential details with unnecessary people, with wrong people. Okay, because there are people that that are out over there who want to sabotage your careers or your career related opportunities. So be silent regarding what all is going on in your career. Let the success make the noise rather than you talking about it. Okay. So this is your spread. Take care. Have a great time and bye bye. Link for the extenders in description box and comment section. If you're interested in personal reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. Till then, take care and bye.